Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all having a great time. Today, let's make Kerala style fish curry which has a thick gravy and has a burst of flavors. This recipe needs less ingredients and can be prepared quickly. Here I am taking 3 slices of dried kokum for about half a kg of fish. In case you have an older stock, soak it for 10 to 15 minutes and discard the first soaked water as it might taste bitter. You can either soak it again or here I am boiling it in water. Into a pan or a clay pot, add 2 teaspoons of oil, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds goes in. For spices, we need 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of normal red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek powder. When methi seeds splutter, add our spice powders, keep the flame low and saute well until the raw smell goes away. Now add Kokum or Garcinia Cumbogia. You may use tamarind paste or amchur powder instead. Add some curry leaves and let this simmer for a while. We will make a coconut paste in the meantime. Into a blender goes 1 cup of grated coconut along with 6 to 7 shallots and grind it into a smooth paste, adding enough water. Transfer the ground coconut paste into the pot along with about half a cup of water. Add salt and 2 to 3 split green chilies. Close it with a lid and let it come to a boil. Simmer it for another 5 minutes. Now the gravy is well cooked and has slightly thickened. Check salt and spice and adjust according to your preference at this point. Here I have taken about 700 grams of threadfin bream or killimeen. Add the fish pieces to the gravy. Roll the pot so as to coat the pieces with gravy. Add some more curry leaves. Close it with a lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish pieces get cooked completely. For tadka, I have taken about 8 shallots, finely chopped. Now the fish pieces have cooked completely. Switch off the flame. Into the tadka pan goes coconut oil and shallots. Let it turn brown. As you have seen, this fish curry is prepared with very less ingredients. We don't even need ginger and garlic in this recipe. Add curry leaves. Allow this curry to rest for at least a couple of hours so that the fish pieces absorb the flavors well. It tastes better the next day. Transfer the tadka and let it cool down slowly. Taste the gravy and discard the Kudampuli or Kokum slits once it is tangy enough for your preference. Hope you like this recipe. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.